So we're on our way to Saugatuck to eat at, what is it, babe? Mermaids? And then we're gonna go on a boat ride. So join us on this little adventure. Hello, my name's Lalo Salcedo and welcome to my official YouTube channel. On my channel, I will be discussing topics on every aspect of life. Please consider subscribing. I hope you enjoy this video. Here's the restaurant that we're at. Mermaid Waterfront Bar and Grill. Daughter Ali, son Gabriel, beautiful wifey. And you can see right behind us is the water. Okay, so there's my meal. There's Ali's meal. My son's meal. My wife's meal. How good that looks. Right by the water. Say hi, Ali.
Hi.
We're outside walking.
Boats.
Beautiful out here.
Hey.
Are you recording?
Yes. I don't know. Also, hey YouTube. Like.
Got it all the way down.
Brother.
Sister.
Brother.
Sister.
Brother.
Hermana.
Hermano.
Schwester.
I don't speak German.
Yeah.
What?
I said sister in German.
We could prepare lunch
I have to get all up close to the camera. Yes.
You know the whole
this is blocking it.
Look around me. Mother. Yes. You're on video.
Even my bald head.
Yeah, let's get a little close up.
Really, Ali? Okay, Ali, I got you.
And then look at this guy's hair.
Nice, okay.
This brother of mine. And look at my hair being all crazy thanks to the wind. Wow. Well, it's mostly because you don't have connection.
What if I
Just stop.
stop on a fuel or? Nah, it's going.
Yay! Be careful.
Would you be afraid to do that though? Probably just like this stuff out.
Unlike you. Water.
I don't have any good music to play downloaded.
Yeah.
Say what's up.
What's up?
We're out here on the water.
If you drop that. I know.
If I drop this, my daughter's gonna jump in and grab it.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I am not.
So beautiful out here.
Oh yeah, right.
We have like small turtles.
Ali, if we see any turtles, we're gonna catch them and take them home.
You might go nearby and take them.
Yeah, there's like small turtles.
Jungle. Man, that's such a beautiful view. There's no way you won't enjoy this view. Beautiful out here.
Turn up.
Just gonna keep shoving the camera face. Just gonna. There we go.
Hold on. Yeah, that's better.
Ooh, look like nice water and everything, yeah?
Now let's look at your real face. It makes it look like you're so far away. A few seconds of GoPro. Give me the GoPro.
Should I?
No,
I
Dave.
think it costs $500, Ali.
Maybe more because the case, the mic, the stand, the everything. Gabe! Gabe, stop it!
No.
Hey!
No, that's too heavy.
Baba Booey! Gabe, give me it!
Hey, Ali, what if I just...
Gabe, that's you're gonna
Alright, I'm gonna turn it off now.
No, do not.
Turn it off, Ali.
You don't even know where to turn it off.
It's on the top, Ali. Of course I know.
No, that's how you stop recording.
Well, same difference. Yeah. We're docking now. From outside the social district, is what this area is. You can't.
So it was a beautiful day.
From one place to another competitive place.
Now we're gonna go get some ice cream. Holly, you want some ice cream and food?
Yes.
She just ate. What did you just eat?
I ate some.
She ate a shrimp boil, and she's still hungry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to subscribe. God bless you and your family.